like. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. On the back, this is a power. It's a USB power cable. Back like this. As you can see, it goes right here. And then to set it up, you have two options. You can use a network cable and connect it to a network and then set it up. So, and that's what I'm going to do. It doesn't come with to where you can connect to the power. So I'm going with it, but it's red because there's no network. It's going to change to green when we connect it to the network. So what is add a device? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a device. What is say add a device? As you can, is the barcode here. So that's what I'm going to do. So as you can see right here, it says you have a device. So that means I already downloaded, but this is how it looks like. If you can see it, this is how the device looks like. So because I say yes, now what we're going to do here, last time when it came, when the first time when the device came to set it up, you have to use admin. So the username is admin. The password is admin. That's for the first time when you just get the device. And then you will change it to your own. You're going to put your email and then the new password, and that password and email, that will be your login all the time, and you can change. You will be able to add all the devices you have, the Internet of Things, the IoT